Hi guys, in today's short video I want to introduce how to install Haiyaa VariPrint. You know, Haiyaa VariPrint is a world-leading VDP software. It is widely used in China and in Far East Asia. The first, I will tell you how to install Haiyaa PPD. But keep in mind, in Windows 10 and Windows 11, we need to disable driver signature enforcement in advance. Otherwise, you cannot install Haiyaa PPD. How to disable? I'll tell you. Go to the setting, go to the update and the security. Go to the recovery. There's a button here. Name is Restart Now. Because I'm recording the video, I don't want to stop the recording. So I will tell you what's happening after you click this button. After you click this button, there are several pages about the setting will appear. The first page is here. Choose an option. You choose Troubleshoot. Then in the Troubleshoot page, you choose Advanced Options. Then in the Advanced Options, you choose Startup Setting. Then you go to this page, Startup Setting. There's a button here, Restart. After clicking this button, your Windows OS restart. Then you will see this page appear. This page is about Startup Setting. You need to choose the item 7. Item 7 is Disable Driver Signature Enforcement. If you don't see this page, that means your just now setting is wrong. You need to set again. After you input 7, the Windows OS start properly and go to this interface. Okay, this is the first step. You need to disable driver signature enforcement before install Haiyaa PPD. Then you start to install Haiyaa PPD. How to install? The same way. Go to the setting. Go to the devices. Go to the printers and the scanners. There's no Haiyaa PPD. Click on the printer and the scanner. After several seconds, there's an item appear. The printer that I want isn't listed. You choose this item. This window appear. Go to the bottom item and a local printer and a network printer with menu setting. Click Next. This is a very important setting. Don't choose LPT1. Change to file, print to file. Click Next. Because I have already installed Haiyaa PPD, so there's item Haiyaa appear here. You are first time to install Haiyaa software, so you will not see this item here. Go to Have Disk. Then go to Located on the Haiyaa PPD file. Where to download Haiyaa PPD file? You can go to Haiyaa website. Go to Support. Go to Software Download. Here is Haiyaa PPD download link. You download PPD here. So you choose the Haiyaa PPD file. Open it. Click OK. There's a Haiyaa PPD appear here. Then click Next. Because I have already installed it, so there's two options you can choose. You are first one to install, so click Next. There's a name, Haiyaa, Haiyaa. Don't change it. Click Next. Finish. Actually, there's two messages when you install Haiyaa PPD print driver. Neglect it or always install. You choose always to install. After installation, there's two options. Set it as share this printer or don't share. It depends on you. I always select don't share this printer. Go next. Set Haiyaa PPD as a default printer. I strongly recommend you to do so. Finish. There's an very important setting here. I see many custom PC. this option is always turned on. Keep in mind, turn off. Otherwise, if your Haiyaa PPD is not a default printer, when the software prints the job, they will go to another default print driver. It will print wrong. Okay, this is the first important procedure. The second is how to activate Microsoft .NET framework. I tell you how to activate it. Go to the setting. Go to the apps. Go to programs and features. If you don't see these items on your PC, don't worry. Press Windows R, input appwiz.cpl. There will go directly to this window. Then go to turn Windows feature on and off. If your PC is not turned on, you turn on it. Then click OK to activate it. Keep in mind, your PC must internet connected. This option is activated. That means we have finished activation of .NET Framework 3.5. Okay, the second very important procedure finished. And the third, we start to install VariPrint. But here we need two key points and that need to pay more attention. One is about the dongle driver installation. Another is after installation, we need to give permission. Go to full permission. There's click setup using administrator to open it. Next, you are the first time, so you will see this window. This option must be turned on. This is about your protection key driver. Then go next. We strongly recommend you to install Haiyaa software under program files. Click next. Install. There are two parts when install VariPrint. The first part actually is install the key driver, the protection key driver. Click next. Because I have already installed driver, so there's three options. If you want to modify or repair or remove, because you are the first time to install Haiyaa software, so there's another interface appear like this one. There's two options. The first option, above option, is complete installation. The second is custom to install. I strongly recommend you to choose custom to install. Why? Because in some environment, especially in Windows 10 and 11, when you using the complete to install, the dongle driver is still not working. When you choose this option, there are two items we need to change. I'll show you. Modify. The first, you see here, these two options we need to edit or change. Choose this one. This feature and all sub-features will be installed on local hard drive. And the second, USB system driver. The same way, choose this feature and all sub-features will install on the local driver. Go next. Install. Finish. The second part is about VariPrint main body installation. Also very fast. Yes, finish. After you finish the installation, there's an icon VariPrint appear on the desktop. After installation of VariPrint, we need to do some permission setting. How to do? Click it. Click, go to the properties. Go to the security. Click edit. We add a new user. The username is everyone. Click OK. Choose everyone. Give the full control. Apply it. Click OK. Click OK. Then we finish the permission setting. If we don't set the permission setting, sometimes when you print a job with the background will be missing. We finish the installation of VariPrint. We can start VariPrint. But for the first time, we need to do some registration. So the first time we run as administrator to open VariPrint, and the second time or after, you can double click to open VariPrint. Okay, so the VariPrint interface appear. If you don't install Haiyaa PBD, if you haven't activate .NET Framework 3.5 component, there will be a warning message when you start VariPrint. Okay, the VariPrint is working. Next, I will tell you there's some troubleshooting will appear when you use VariPrint. The first one is when you install Acrobat full version in your PC. When you open a PDF as a template file, you will see this message like this. There's an error opening of this document. When you met this problem, my suggestion is you uninstall Acrobat and install Acrobat again. This is one choice. Another choice is you can try to use administrator to open the VariPrint, then new a project. And the third choice is you can go to the VariPrint installation folder and choose VariPrint Reader. Double click. New a project, choose PDF document, choose this one. You can see this PDF background file is displayed properly on your desktop. I'll tell you three choices. The first choice is uninstall Acrobat and install again. The second is use administrator to open VariPrint. The third is go to the VariPrint installation folder and choose VariPrint Reader to open VariPrint and import the PDF file. The second issues always met when the customer use Acrobat DC Pro version. When you open the PDF file, the PDF template file is shifting. In this situation, you use Acrobat to open a PDF file. Then go to the preference to do some setting. I show you. For example, open Acrobat, go to the edit, go to the preference, and go to the security enhanced. It is always turned on, but here you turn off. Then click OK. In this way, you can solve the problem. Okay, this is the explanation of Haiyaa VariPrint installation. If you have any question when install Haiyaa PBD or another components, let us know. We can give you fully support. Thanks for your watching.